Oh my god, I am so excited. The brand new QVC Today's Special Value featuring Elemis has launched this morning. If you only buy one QVC Today's Special Value all year, this is the one. They always save the best till last and they always make their biggest, most bargainous one at Christmas. This set is worth over £243, but it's being sold for just £71.95. So it's out now and it is only available while stocks last until the 10th of November. So if you want it, hurry up and buy it. The link is in the description and also in my pinned comments. So this is the box it comes in, and there are 3 different scents to choose from. I have the lime and ginger, but there's also fragpani manoi and vanilla orchid. So the first item is the bath and shower milk. And oh my god, it smells so good. It's really clean and zesty, and this is a 300ml bottle. So this will last you for absolutely months, and it's one of my favourite products from them. Next up, we have their body butter. Again, I have it in the lime and ginger, but if you're not into lime and ginger, you can get the vanilla or the fragpani. Now let's move on to the skincare. So we have a really nice big tub of the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is a 50-gram tub. Oh my god, it smells so good. Their cleansing balm is honestly one of the best in the whole world. It's so good. Then we have a nice big bottle of their Soothing Apricot Toner. This is 200ml, so again, really nice and big. And again, a gorgeous, gorgeous product. And then we have a tube of their Pro Collagen Marine Mask. This is 75ml. So again, full size and really generous. And then finally, it would not be a Today's Special Value with Elemis without this product. It is, of course, the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Wait, let's get it in focus. Here it is. And this is a nice, generous 30ml pot. I think this alone is worth £64. And it is one of the best-selling, most loved face creams in the whole world. It's honestly incredible, and it's amazing for all skin types and all ages of skin. And it's just an incredible product. And that is the entire set. Like I said, it's a 6-piece set. It comes in 3 different fragrances. It's worth over £243. But it's being sold for £71.95. And it's available to buy now, so if you want it, go to the link in the description and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I should probably mention, I sound a bit weird because I've got a chest infection. I'm on the mend, but yeah, if I sound a bit weird, that's why. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.